Hello guys, welcome to Ashok DevOps YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Kubernetes in your local laptop and practice pods, Kubernetes, deployments, services, etc. So let's jump into the video. Open Chrome and in the Google search for Docker. Open the first link, docker.com. So I am using Apple MacBook M1 chip. So I am downloading Apple chip. Based on your OS, you can download Windows or Linux. I am selecting Apple chip. So it will take some time to download. So now the download is completed. I am opening this file. So let's drag and drop into the applications. So it is copying the Docker applications to applications folder. So the copying is completed. Let's open the Docker. So it's starting the Docker engine. And once Docker is opened, go to settings and go to Kubernetes and enable Kubernetes. So this will start the Kubernetes in your local laptop. So this will take few minutes to start. So there is one more way. You can directly install Minikube in your laptop and run the Kubernetes pods deployments. But this Docker installation is very easy to run. So once enablement is completed, you can see green color icon on the Kubernetes and the status as running. So right now I don't have any containers. In the background, when you run a pod in a Kubernetes, the Docker will run it as a container in the Docker. So to create deployments, open Visual Studio Code and I am opening a new folder. So I created a new folder as K8s and here in the Visual Studio, in the extensions, install Kubernetes extension. So this Kubernetes extension will help you to write the pods, deployments, services easily. It will show the templates for the pods and deployments. So go to Explorer and create a new file as pod.yaml. In the pod, I am giving PO. It will automatically show what are all the objects available in Kubernetes. Select pod object and here the application name is my app and I am giving image as nginx. Limits are already set. I am giving the port as 80. Once YAML file is created, you can directly apply to the Docker desktop cluster. This cluster you can see in the extension. Here you can see this cluster and what are all the workloads, what are all the nodes you have. We have one node which is our internal laptop. There we have all the Kubernetes components running. etcd, Kube API, Kube Control Manager, Kube Scheduler, etc. In the deployments, we don't have any. In the pods also, we don't have any. Let me create the pod now. Go to terminal and type kubectl apply -f pod.yaml. So this will create the pod in Docker desktop. So pod is created. Let me refresh. It is in pending state. Let me refresh. Now it is in running state. You can check the pod logs or pod events by right clicking on the pod. Click on the logs and click run. It will show all the logs. Now Nginx pod is started. You can also see the events for the pod and the describe. Here you can see successfully assigned my app to Docker desktop node, and it pulled image nginx and created container my app. In the Docker desktop also you can see containers are running. Okay, so this way you can use Docker desktop to run Kubernetes objects. So this way you can install Kubernetes in your laptop and run the pods. If you have any doubts, you can comment. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.